Is there any wanderlust in the house? Hey, it's Angel here. Welcome back to our channel. Join us on our epic journey through Rome and help us continue making videos by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. Yo, let's hit it. Day 1 in Rome is gonna be epic. We're kicking off with the Colosseum. It's like stepping into a time machine. It's the original Thunderdome, where gladiators and wild animals used to do battle. You're gonna snap so many pics, it'll blow up your IG for sure. Here's our first tip for you. Don't do any graffiti in these places, especially the Colosseum. They have cameras anywhere, and it's almost 2,000 years old. Bro, you'll need a get out of jail card if you do. Next up, we're hitting the Roman Forum and Palatine Hill. It's like wandering through the heart of ancient Rome, where Julius Caesar and all those legendary dudes used to chill. Walking through these ruins is gonna be like totally mind-blowing. After soaking up all that ancient vibe, we're heading to the Capitolini Museums in the afternoon. They've got tons of sculptures and paintings. I bet art class was never this cool. As the sun sets, we're gonna explore the Trastevere. This neighborhood is all about those narrow cobblestone streets and epic Italian foods. I'm talking real deal pasta and pizza. Gonna end the day with a food coma. But hey, when in Rome, right? All that walking is bound to make you hangry. Dude, day 2 is all about Vatican City. Bro, Vatican City is the ultimate boss level in Rome. It's this tiny city-state that packs a massive punch. Fact, it's the smallest country in the world. With the epic St. Peter's Basilica and the Vatican Museums, inside you've got the Sistine Chapel with Michelangelo's ceiling that's just fire. Here's a tip for you. Get a skip-the-line ticket for around 27 euros because the lines are insane and the crowds are packed. In the afternoon, we're checking out St. Peter's Basilica. This place is so huge and the view from the dome is sick. You can see all of Rome. It's a bit of a climb, but totally worth the cardio. And guess what? It's free to enter the Basilica, but the dome climb is only around €8. Evening time is chill time by the Tiber River. Maybe grab a gelato and vibe with the city. On day 3, we're hitting the classics. The Pantheon in Rome is straight up legendary. It's this ancient temple turned into a church that's like over 2,000 years old. The dome inside, mind-blowing. It's got this hole at the top that lets the sun in. Walk in and you feel like you're stepping back in history. It's all free to enter. Ancient Rome just got real. No resting now, it's off to Piazza Navona. It's Rome's chill zone. It's a vibrant open space with stunning fountains like the famous Four Rivers Fountain. It's also buzzing with street artists, cafes, and super cool vibe. It's a perfect spot to hang and soak in Rome's energy. Afternoons all about the Spanish Steps and Trevi Fountain. The Spanish Steps, a grand staircase of 135 steps in Rome, are an absolute vibe. They're a chill spot to hang out and watch the world go by. It's surrounded by cool shops and cafes. Just a short walk away is the Trevi Fountain. This stunningly ornate fountain is where you gotta toss a coin and make a wish. It's always buzzing with people and the water's shimmer under the lights is pure magic. These spots are Rome's Instagram gold. Evening dinner is Campo de' Fiori. They say the pizza here is next level. The Campo de' Fiori is also known for its vibrant daily market, where you can find a variety of fresh produce, flowers, spices, and more. The market is a great place to experience the local culture and the flavors of Rome. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for the latest videos, and if you can, share it with your travel buddies. Thank you.